Belly fat is one of the most common concerns for people striving to live a healthier lifestyle. It's not just about appearance, it's about overall health and well-being. Excess abdominal fat can increase the risk of serious conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even hormonal imbalances. That's why reducing belly fat isn't about quick fixes or crash diets. It's about creating sustainable habits that improve your life long term. First, let's talk about what belly fat actually is. There are two main types: subcutaneous fat, which is the layer just under the skin, and visceral fat, which surrounds your internal organs. Visceral fat is more dangerous because it can impact your metabolism and increase inflammation in the body. The good news is, with the right approach, you can reduce both types and improve your health. The key to losing belly fat starts with a balanced diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid highly processed snacks and sugary drinks. They spike your blood sugar and lead to fat storage. Incorporating fiber, rich foods like oats, beans, and leafy greens helps keep you full longer and supports digestion. Exercise plays an equally important role. Cardio workouts like brisk walking, cycling, or jogging help burn calories, while strength training builds muscle and boosts your metabolism. Core exercises like planks and leg raises won't magically melt belly fat, but they strengthen your abdominal muscles and give your midsection a more toned look as you lose overall body fat. Lifestyle habits matter too. Getting quality sleep, managing stress, and staying hydrated are often overlooked but make a huge difference. Chronic stress and lack of sleep can trigger hormones that lead to belly fat storage. So, aim for 7-8 hours of rest and find stress relief techniques that work for you, like meditation or deep breathing. Remember, losing belly fat takes time and consistency. There's no magic pill, but if you stay committed to healthy eating, regular exercise, and positive habits, you will see results. And more importantly, you'll feel better, stronger, and more confident in your own skin. Lemon Ginger Detox Water is one of the most refreshing and effective drinks you can include in your daily routine when your goal is to reduce belly fat and improve overall health. This simple drink combines two powerful natural ingredients, lemon and ginger. Both are well known for their cleansing properties and ability to support digestion, metabolism, and fat burning. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and helps your body fight off free radicals. They also contain antioxidants that support the liver in flushing out toxins. On the other hand, ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory root that aids digestion, reduces bloating, and supports a healthy metabolism. When combined in water, these ingredients create a drink that not only hydrates your body, but also helps regulate your digestive system, making it easier for your body to process food and burn fat efficiently. To prepare this drink, take a glass of warm or room temperature water and squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. Then add a few thin slices of fresh ginger or a teaspoon of grated ginger. For an extra touch of flavor and benefits, you can add a teaspoon of raw honey, but this is optional. Stir the mixture well and let it sit for a few minutes so the ginger releases its natural oils into the water. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for the best results, or sip it throughout the day to stay hydrated and energized. The combination of lemon and ginger works to improve your metabolism, reduce bloating, and promote a feeling of fullness, which can prevent overeating and unhealthy snacking. One of the best things about Lemon Ginger Detox Water is that it is completely natural, easy to prepare, and fits perfectly into any healthy lifestyle. It is not a magic solution, but when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep, it can speed up your fat loss journey and help you achieve a flatter belly. Plus, it tastes great and makes drinking water more enjoyable, which means you'll stay hydrated without even thinking about it. So, make this drink a part of your daily routine, and over time, you'll notice a big difference not just in your waistline, but also in your energy levels and overall well-being. Green tea with mint and lemon is an incredible drink that supports fat loss, boosts energy, and promotes overall wellness. This powerful combination is loved worldwide for its natural ability to enhance metabolism and aid digestion, making it perfect for anyone looking to reduce belly fat in a healthy and sustainable way. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to help increase fat burning and improve metabolism. These antioxidants also fight free radicals, protect your cells, and support overall health. Adding mint to green tea makes it even better because mint is not only refreshing, but also helps soothe the stomach, improve digestion, and reduce bloating. Lemon, on the other hand, adds a burst of vitamin C and antioxidants, helping the body detox naturally while improving hydration and balancing pH levels. Together, these three ingredients create a delicious and effective drink that fits perfectly into a fat loss routine. To prepare green tea with mint and lemon, start by boiling a cup of water and letting it cool slightly so it's hot but not boiling, as boiling water can damage the delicate compounds in green tea. Add 1 green tea bag or a teaspoon of loose green tea leaves to the water and let it steep for about 2 to 3 minutes. While it's steeping, add a few fresh mint leaves to the cup so they can release their natural oils and flavor into the tea. Once the tea has steeped, remove the tea bag or strain the leaves, and then squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Stir well and enjoy it warm, or let it cool and add ice for a refreshing iced version. For extra benefits, you can also add a small teaspoon of raw honey, but this is optional if you prefer a sweeter taste. Drinking this tea regularly can help reduce appetite, boost fat metabolism, and give you a natural energy lift without the crash that comes from sugary drinks or coffee. It is especially effective when consumed before meals or in the morning to kick-start your metabolism for the day. The combination of green tea, mint, and lemon also promotes hydration and supports healthy digestion, which are key factors in reducing belly fat and improving overall health. Unlike sugary beverages, this tea has zero unhealthy additives and can easily become a part of your everyday routine. It's not a magic solution by itself, but when combined with a balanced diet, exercise, and healthy habits, it can significantly enhance your fat loss journey. So make this drink a regular part of your lifestyle and enjoy its refreshing taste along with its powerful health benefits. Apple cider vinegar drink with honey is one of the most popular and effective homemade drinks for those looking to burn belly fat and improve digestion naturally. Apple cider vinegar, often called ACV, is packed with acetic acid, which has been linked to supporting healthy blood sugar levels, reducing cravings, and improving fat metabolism. When taken in the right amount, ACV can help your body manage insulin response better, which is important for controlling fat storage around the midsection. Pairing apple cider vinegar with honey not only makes the drink taste better, but also adds a natural source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Honey, when used in moderation, can soothe the digestive tract and provide a quick source of natural energy. The combination of these two ingredients creates a powerful detoxifying drink that not only helps you stay on track with your weight goals, but also supports your overall health and wellness. To make this drink, take a glass of warm water and add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Make sure the apple cider vinegar contains the mother, which is the cloudy substance full of beneficial enzymes and probiotics. Then, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey and stir well until it completely dissolves. For an extra boost of vitamin C and a refreshing taste, you can squeeze in a little lemon juice. But this is optional. Drink this mixture once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach or 30 minutes before a meal. This timing helps kick-start your metabolism for the day and improves digestion before eating. The benefits of this drink go beyond just fat loss. Regular consumption of apple cider vinegar with honey can help with better gut health, improved nutrient absorption, and reduced bloating. It also helps balance your body's pH level and supports detoxification by aiding your liver. However, it's important to use apple cider vinegar safely. Never drink it undiluted because it can harm your teeth and throat due to its acidity. Also, stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons a day because consuming too much can lead to side effects like stomach irritation. When combined with a balanced diet, proper hydration, and regular physical activity, this drink can make a noticeable difference in your belly fat reduction journey. It's not an instant fix, but it's a natural, simple, and affordable addition to your healthy lifestyle. Over time, you'll feel lighter, more energized, and more in control of your cravings. Remember, consistency is key, And adding small healthy habits like this drink to your daily routine can lead to big results. Cucumber and mint infused water is one of the most refreshing and hydrating drinks you can enjoy while working toward reducing belly fat. This simple drink is not only delicious, but also packed with benefits that help your body stay energized, detoxified, and bloating free. Cucumber is naturally rich in water and contains essential vitamins and minerals that support hydration and digestion. It has a cooling effect on the body and helps reduce water retention, which often makes your stomach look bloated. Mint, on the other hand, adds a burst of freshness and aids digestion by relaxing the digestive muscles and improving the flow of bile, which helps break down fat more effectively. When combined in water, cucumber and mint create a light, flavorful beverage that feels like a spa treatment for your body, making it easier to drink more water throughout the day. To prepare this drink, take a large jug or pitcher of water and add half a cucumber sliced into thin rounds. Next, add a handful of fresh mint leaves. For an extra boost of flavor and health benefits, you can also squeeze in a few drops of lemon juice or add a few lemon slices. Allow the water to sit for at least 1 to 2 hours in the refrigerator so the flavors can infuse properly. The longer it sits, the stronger the flavor becomes, so you can even leave it overnight for maximum freshness. You can keep sipping this water all day long instead of regular plain water. It's a great way to stay hydrated while enjoying the detoxifying benefits of natural ingredients without adding any extra calories or sugar. The beauty of cucumber and mint infused water is that it not only helps you stay hydrated, but it also helps fight bloating, improve digestion, and support a healthy metabolism, all of which play a major role in reducing belly fat. Staying hydrated is one of the most overlooked steps in fat loss because dehydration can slow down metabolism and make you feel tired, which often leads to unnecessary snacking. Drinking flavored water like this can also help control cravings and keep you full for longer, reducing the temptation to reach for sugary drinks or unhealthy snacks. This drink is not a quick fix for belly fat, but it works as a powerful support system when paired with healthy eating and exercise. Plus, it makes drinking water so much more enjoyable, especially for those who find plain water boring. It's easy to prepare, affordable, and completely natural, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. Over time, you'll notice improvements in digestion, reduced bloating, and an overall feeling of lightness and energy. So, if you want a simple yet effective way to stay hydrated while supporting your belly fat loss goals, cucumber and mint-infused water is a fantastic choice. Warm turmeric and lemon drink is a powerful detoxifying beverage that can play an important role in reducing belly fat and improving overall health. This drink combines two super ingredients, turmeric and lemon. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties thanks to its active compound called curcumin, which helps reduce inflammation in the body and supports better digestion. Chronic inflammation can make it harder to lose fat, especially around the abdominal area, so incorporating turmeric into your diet can be a game changer. Lemon, on the other hand, is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that boost immunity, improve skin health, and support detoxification. When these two ingredients are combined in warm water, they create a soothing drink that helps cleanse your system, promote fat metabolism, and keep your digestive system functioning efficiently. To make this drink, take a cup of warm water, not boiling, just comfortably warm, and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir well until the turmeric is fully dissolved in the water. Then squeeze in the juice of half a lemon for a refreshing citrus flavor and an added boost of vitamin C for a touch of natural sweetness. You can add a teaspoon of raw honey, but this is completely optional. Stir everything together and drink it slowly while it's still warm. It's best to have this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach because it helps start your metabolism, flush out toxins, and prepare your digestive system for the day ahead. The benefits of this drink go beyond fat loss. Turmeric supports liver health, which is essential for proper fat breakdown and detoxification. It can also improve digestion and reduce bloating, which often makes your stomach look bigger than it actually is. Lemon adds alkalizing properties that balance the body's pH and support hydration. Drinking this regularly can help your body manage inflammation, improve metabolism, and enhance overall wellness. However, it's important to remember that turmeric is potent, so you should not consume it in very high amounts. Half a teaspoon daily in a drink like this is enough for most people. This drink is not a miracle solution for belly fat, but it can significantly support your weight loss journey when paired with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and good sleep habits. It's simple to make, affordable, and completely natural. Plus, it tastes soothing and comforting, especially in the morning or before bedtime. Over time, you'll notice reduced bloating, better digestion, and an overall feeling of lightness and energy. So, if you're looking for an easy way to add a powerful, anti-inflammatory, and metabolism-boosting drink to your routine, this warm turmeric and lemon combination is an excellent choice to include in your daily habits. Losing belly fat isn't about quick fixes or magical solutions. It's about making smart, sustainable choices every day. The drinks we discussed today, Lemon Ginger Detox Water, green tea with mint and lemon, apple cider vinegar drink with honey, cucumber and mint infused water, and warm turmeric and lemon drink, are all natural, easy to prepare, and packed with nutrients that support digestion, hydration, and metabolism. These drinks are not meant to replace a healthy diet or exercise, but they can be a powerful addition to your lifestyle when used consistently. Remember, the real secret to fat loss is balance: eating nutritious foods, staying active, managing stress, and getting enough sleep. When you combine these habits with these healthy drinks, you're setting yourself up for success. Not just for a flatter belly, but for better energy, improved health, and a stronger immune system. So start incorporating these drinks into your daily routine, stay consistent, and give your body the care it deserves. Your results will follow, and so will your confidence. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share it with someone who would love these tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, science-backed ways to stay healthy and feel your best. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health and happiness!